Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two programming languages. Okay, let's start. Python and Java. In this video, we will dive into their key features, use cases, and differences to help you decide which language to master. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. Is dy- it is a dynamically typed language, which means you can write code quickly without worrying too much about types. Perfect for beginners and experienced developers. Java, on the other hand, is a statically typed language, which means you need to define the type of every variable you use. This helps in catching errors early and ensuring code robustness. Let's talk performance. Python's interrupted nature means it might not be as fast as compiled languages. However, its extensive libraries can optimize performance for specific tasks. Okay, so Python shines in web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. Frameworks like Django and Flask make web development a breeze. For data science, you have powerful libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Java is known for its performance, especially in long-running applications. It's widely used in enterprise applications, Android app development, and server-side solutions. The Java Virtual Machine (JVM) offers efficient memory management and optimization. Python's simplicity makes it a great first language. Its readable syntax and its community support help beginners. Let's get started quickly. Java might have a steeper learning curve due to its verbosity and strict typing. However, it builds a strong foundation for understanding programming principles. In conclusion, use Python for quick development and versatility. For Java, if you need performance and scalability for large-scale applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech comparisons. Bye.